Picture this. You drop the needle on a vinyl record, and before the music even begins, you hear that soft crackle, tiny pops and hisses swirling in the air. For many, that sound is pure magic. But why does it make us feel so nostalgic and warm inside? Those crackles aren't just background noise. They're unique audio fingerprints created by dust, static, and the physical grooves etched into the record's surface. Our brains link these imperfections to cherished memories, late nights spent spinning records, cozy rooms filled with friends, and the analog world of the past. Scientists explain that vinyl's warmth comes from how it colors the sound, smoothing out harsh digital edges and adding subtle distortion that digital music often lacks. This blend of imperfection and richness tricks our minds into feeling comforted, like hearing a familiar voice from long ago. In a world obsessed with flawless digital sound, vinyl's crackle reminds us that beauty often lies in the flaws. So next time you hear that gentle hiss, know you're not just listening to music, you're riding a wave of nostalgia. Like the video, share it, and hit that subscribe button.